That is the sound that we've been hearing all the time. The one seagull was singing and following the other ones around all the time. They are like partners. So interesting, huh? Yeah, that didn't help very much, did it? To chase that one? I haven't got through anyway, Mama. Oh yeah, you are a very firm, very, what can I say, strict bird? Yeah, you know where the closet's supposed to be. No, I have to tell you anything, 'cause you can defend yourself and your kids. I've seen it. You got self-defense. Not only self-defense, but self-confidence. Oh yeah, la la la. My beautiful friend, but I'm sorry. No more things to give away today. Oh, Mama, he's disappointed. Yeah, I can understand you, because you are one of my regular birds. Usually you always get some. Yeah, Mama, I am still here. Ah, yeah, here you are again, my seagull. I recognize you on the feathers on the head. They are little pieces. yeah. Birdies. Yeah, good idea to keep hanging around under the trees. Yeah, Mr. Crow, I'm so happy to see you again.